Hi, this is Arun from Interazzo, and today we are back at our thoughtfully designed 3 BHK home at Brigade Utopia for our client Mrs. Khushbu. So as you enter the home, the foyer sets the tone with a well mix of materials and mood lighting. For the foyer wall decor, we have used stone cladding and laminated ledge. On both the sides, we have used bronze mirror and warm cove lighting. We designed the MDF arch for the entrance of the living. Coming to the entertainment unit, we have played with different combinations. For the back panel, at the corner we have given stone cladding. Adjacent to it, we have given a bronze mirror. Next, we have a fluted panel treated with Decor paint and continued with a textured wall paint. For artifacts, we have used laminated open boxes with Q profile and profile light running throughout. We gave a laminated base unit with 2 drawers, an aluminium frame shutter with black tinted glass with a flap down mechanism. So our client was very passionate about traveling. They want to pin photos of every country they travel. So that's why we have designed a wooden world map for them. Behind it, we have used textured paint combined with wall trims and decorative lights. In the crockery combar unit, we have played with beveled mirror and fluted panel with Decor paint. We have veneer finish wine chillers. On top of it, we have used aluminium frame shutter with fluted glass, and inside we have given advanced Blum Eventos HKS lift-ups. For the countertop, we have used Terra Quartz, and in the base unit, we have given 2 drawers and openable shutters for storage. We have designed an extendable bar counter which can be pulled out from beneath. For living and dining area, we have given a peripheral false ceiling with warm cove lighting and downlighters. We have also given a hanging light and a cutout to hide your curtain tracks. So, the heart of every home lies in its quiet corners, and this Puja unit is designed for that. For the shutters, we have used MDF and treated it with Decor paint. We gave Rattan can sandwiched in the glass. Inside we have given a CNC cut jali with back warm lighting. And in the base unit, we gave an extendable counter and 2 drawers. We designed an arc which leads way to bedrooms and kitchen. And we have continued the same wall trims in the dining area. Now let's walk into the kitchen, a place designed for both function and finish. So this is a parallel kitchen with Fenix finished base unit, which is anti-fingerprint and micro-scratch proof. We have given 5 tandem drawers from Blum, each with 30 kg weight carrying capacity. Along with a bottle pull-out that holds up to 20 kg. And here we have an inbuilt dishwasher from Bosch. Next to it are the openable shutters for the under sink RO unit. For the countertop, we have gone with Quartz Terra Olympia Gold by Hafele. Durable, elegant and easy to maintain. For the dado wall, we have used tiles, We gave a double bowl quartz sink from Carousel with a rotatable and removable faucet and a faucet for your under sink RO unit. And here is hob and chimney setup with an induction from Hafele. In the wall unit, we have given aluminium frame shutter with fluted glass, and inside we gave wooden textured laminate with profile lights. At the corner, not to cover the gas meter, we have given open ledge with Q profile. Next to it is a dish drainer tray with Blum Advanced HKS lift up. On the top of wall unit, we have given loft with laminate finish. For the corner, we have given a tall unit to keep your ladder and broom. Adjacent to it, we have given storage, and below to it, we have given provision for your washing machine. On the other side, we gave a roller shutter, provision for microwave, and a wicker basket. Inside the roller shutter, we have a pull-out to accommodate your mixer and grinders. On the top of fridge, we gave an open box with textured laminate and a profile light. Now we are in the study room. Here we have given a study unit with laminate finish with 3 drawers and some storage in the base unit. We have given a combination of open and closed boxes with laminate finish. For the closed boxes, we have used aluminium frame shutters with black tinted glass, and inside we have used Blum Avento's advanced HKS lift-ups. Adjacent to it, we have featured a hinged wardrobe with laminate finish. The loft is placed inside to provide a seamless look. We have used a black T profile here for a sleek look. Inside, we gave an iron pull-out from EPCO and an electrical socket inside. This is the cot with cushion headboard and some storage beneath. We have continued the storage to bay window sitting as set of drawers to reach the bay window. Here we have given a pull-out and a provision for socket to keep your laptop and work essentials. In fall ceiling, we have used warm Cove lighting with downlighters. So now, welcome to the master bedroom. So here we have designed a study unit with laminate finish and 3 drawers. For wall unit, we have given combination of open and closed boxes with laminate finish. For closed boxes, we have used aluminium frame shutters with tinted glass, and inside we have used Blum Avento's advanced high kick lift-ups. And the study unit intersects with the dressing unit. Here we have given 4 drawers and a hidden storage at the corner. Here we have a semi-circled mirror with warm Cove lighting. For the wall decor, we have played with wallpaper and a hanging light. We have featured a sliding wardrobe Slido F-line 4050C sliding mechanism with a soft close system for both function and elegance. We have added 7-foot long profile handle, not just for sleek look, but also to add strength to the doors. It has combination of acrylic and laminate texture with rose gold PVD T-profile. Here's a cutout to hide your curtain tracks. And we have designed a peripheral false ceiling with warm light and few downlighters. In the guest bedroom, we have given laminated finished sliding wardrobe with Hafele fitting similar to the master bedroom. So to the corner, we have given a tall unit with veneer finish. Here again we have used a combination of open and closed shelves. For the openable shelves, we have used aluminium frame shutter with clear glass and given profile lighting throughout. And we have continued the veneer finish for wall decor here with an arc with back warm cove lighting and laminated ledges. To optimize your space, we have given a foldable study unit here. Next to the cot, we have a laminated dressing unit with 2 drawers and have replicated the same arc for the mirror. To enhance the beauty of the wall, we have played with Decor wallpaper and decorative light. We designed a peripheral false ceiling with warm cove lighting and downlighters, and also we have provided the cutouts for your curtain and AC. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming projects.